Here's what I pack for 3 weeks in Europe using only a personal item. In the first packing cube, I have a light sweater, pajamas, swimsuit, a dress, 6 pairs of socks and underwear. We book accommodations that have washers and dryers every few days, and we take a few Tide Pods along. In the next packing cube are a pair of pants, 6 shirts, and 3 shorts. When I go to the airport, I dress comfortably and tie a thick warm sweatshirt around my waist that I will either use as a pillow or wear it. I wear running shoes and I keep my phone and wallet in a hip pack, which I wear under my sweater when I board the plane. In the bottom of the backpack is a waterproof section where I put my flip-flops for beach days and anytime I need a break from running shoes and socks. In the main section, I have a good waterproof jacket so we can still explore on rainy days. And in go the packing cubes along with charging cords and earplugs. At the front, I keep our passports and boarding passes so that they're easy to access when we're in the airport. At the bottom of the bag, we have any medicine and toiletries that are not liquid. In this larger waterproof section, I keep our liquids, which often have to be taken out during the security check at the airport, and everything is under 100 milliliters. We have a multi-plug, which we use to charge all of our devices, and it has pop-out plugs for any outlets in the world. I put a pair of noise-canceling headphones at the very top of my bag because that's what I'll use on the airplane. And then last but not least, I make a booklet of all of our tickets and itinerary and maps that we'll need, and I put it all in a folder and keep that in a separate section of the bag so that I always know where it is.